Hi, my name is Samy, bar manager of COYA Dubai and Chanka by COYA. COYA is more than a restaurant. It's a global destination, a culture, a luxury lifestyle. A place where guests are taken on an immersive journey to Latin America through exceptional authentic Peruvian food, innovative pisco infusions, cultural events, and unforgettable parties. The well-known COYA guest experience is all about unique food, beverage, and music. When it comes to beverage offerings at COYA, it is very important for us to deliver the same sophisticated experience, whether the guest likes alcohol or not. Today I'm going to make one of our most popular non-alcoholic cocktails called Scarlet. It has Lyre's Italian Spritz adding bitter citrus notes, and Lyre's Amaretti adding sweet almond flavors to the cocktail. Finish with a touch of fresh pomegranate juice. We look forward to welcoming you to COYA Dubai.